Felicity, and today I'm going to introduce a new way to get instantly clearer, smoother and more luminous skin with the latest in skincare technology, the Manicare Salon Magnifying Pore Vacuum. The Magnifying Pore Vacuum uses suction to physically extract impurities as an alternative to squeezing your unwanted blocked pores. Using this amazing tool can be effective in helping to regularly clear pore congestion and the buildup of dead skin cells, dirt and oil. The device also has a built-in 10 times magnification high-definition camera to link to your smartphone to help you see exactly what you're doing whilst you're using it. The device has 4 different nozzle attachments. The oval nozzle is used for more stubborn areas, the small circular nozzle for sensitive skin, and the microdermabrasion nozzle helps to clear away dead skin. I will be using the large nozzle, which is suitable for most skin types. This device is super gentle and easy to use at home with just 3 simple steps: activate, cleanse, extract. First, activate the camera through your Manicare app. Then cleanse your skin thoroughly with warm water to remove buildup, such as oil and impurities. Glide the vacuum gently over your skin, keeping the nozzle moving over the congested areas. There are 3 levels of intensity depending on the sensitivity of your skin. Start with the lowest setting, then progress to your preferred intensity level. After every application, use an alcohol-free toner to remove residue. Then apply a cold compress to reduce any redness before continuing your skincare routine. The Magnifying Pore Vacuum delivers noticeable results and helps to visibly clear your skin with ease. I hope you love the incredible results as much as I do.